Hi guys, Jacques here again for Inkish TV at Cprint. And we're here at the booth, at the Stahl's booth. And I have the pleasure of talking to Andy. And Andy is the marketing director for UK and Europe. Hi Andy.
Hi Jack,
How you
lovely
doing?
to see you. I'm doing fantastic.
Perfect, thank you for having us here.
Oh, my pleasure.
So yeah, Stahl's, I guess, well, I was told it's your first visit here on Cprint.
That's correct.
So how's it going so far?
It's been fantastic. It's been wonderful to meet French garment decorators in person, see how enthusiastic and they're really engaged with the industry here, which has been really wonderful to have those conversations.
Well, I'm curious because as it is your first time here in France, can you sense like differences? Because you're all over Europe and UK. Yeah. What, in your opinion, are the differences with the French audience for your products?
I think that they're quite similar in that they recognize quality. They understand quality, so when they come here, they want to be able to be like, okay, show me how it works. They really want to be like, let me see it and prove to me that it's good, which is great because that's what we love to that, because we're very confident and comfortable in the machines and materials that we can provide here. So but that's what I want here. When I come to a show, I don't want people who are unserious. Be able to have those really deep and engaged conversations is really rewarding.
That's great. Of course, you're a big name also in the States. Yes. And in the US. You manufacture your own machinery.
Yes.
And then you have your own line as well with certain services.
Yes.
So explain us a little bit, what's that all about?
So we want to make sure that we give the garment decorator everything they need to be successful. So we have our heat presses, as you mentioned. We also have our own range of heat transfer vinyl foils that we've been manufacturing since the 1930s. And we also provide heat transfers as a service, so you can go and upload your artwork, pick how many you want, and we can turn that around in a really rapid service. So I always say to people that the most important thing you can do as a business owner is sell and market. So being able to have a quick, reliable service to do the garment decorating part, we should be making your life easy. So you can spend more time bringing more business in and being more successful yourself that way.
Now a tricky question maybe, Andy, I'm not sure if it's as tricky, but I'm curious because we're in France. Well, everybody knows that the France audience likes to speak French. Yes. So how did you take that on your online platforms? Do you have everything in place to serve the French market?
Yes, of course. We have French landing pages. We make sure that all of our European websites have the right tax options available, so anyone in Europe can order how they want to experience that customer experience. And we, if anyone that came and visited us today, they would have met some of our wonderful French-speaking colleagues. We wanted to make sure that when we came here, we're very respectful of the culture and the experience that people want to have here. We always say we bring the Stahl's show to any trade show, and that includes making sure that you have the right languages available. So we've got plenty of French-speaking people here so that it's not that weird, uncomfortable moments when we have to kind of fudge our way through.
It is important,
isn't it? It is very important. You should always be respectful, engaging. We've made sure all of our samples have the right language on them as well.
Perfect, nice. Well, maybe one last question. Here at Cprint, we've asked it numerous times during this last couple of days, but at the Cprint show, they have like a slogan and it's called like changing the game, you know? In your line of business, what does it mean to you, like changing the game for the textile printing?
That's everything to us. That we are singing from the same hymn sheet. Stahl's has been changing the game forever. That's why, even though they've been around since 1932, they're still the most advanced technology company for machines and for materials. Everything we do is always built to be quicker and faster. I always talk about the incremental gains you can get from a heat press. So an example I use often is that everything we do is designed to save the decorator time. Time is everything. Turnaround time is one of the most important factors for customers. So we do lots of things to be able to save 5 seconds here, 10 seconds here, because we know that if you could save 10 seconds every time you decorate a shirt, if you decorate 500...
It multiplies, of course.
It does. If you decorate 500 shirts a day, that actually can get you 55 working days back.
Exactly.
And that is massive. It's everything.
Game changer.
So we are always trying to change the game. We have some fantastic new products coming out later in the year as well. So that you can see here.
Make sure to tell us about them.
So this is what we call a dual air fusion, and you can see it's got a laser system here, which is already the most advanced heat press anywhere in the world, objectively.
Wow.
But we have something called a ProPlace IQ system for this, which is going to be launching at FESPA in March. and it's going to have a projection system. So your transfer will project onto here. So you just take your transfer and put it on the light. So it means that it could be 15, 20 seconds, every shirt is being saved.
Yeah, every second counts.
Every second counts. So that's why we are very passionate about always being at the forefront of technology. We actually brought a new software company last year as well to create a new fulfillment system, ecosystem for decorators as well, which is going to be launching later this year as well. So that's why we really wanted to be here. Cprint said we're changing the game, and we said we have to be involved with that.
Fantastic, very good idea. And well, as you said, I guess you're all around. You're doing FESPA, you're doing Drupa probably as well.
Yeah.
So we'll be around as well.
We'll be everywhere.
I'm very, very happy that we met today.
I am too.
And I'm sure that we will meet again very soon.
Absolutely.
We'll be at FESPA, so
we'll
probably see you there. Thanks, Andy.
Love to meet you.
Have a good show.